2019 Toyota Camry door panel removal. We're gonna start with the front first. Okie dokie. All right, so the first thing you gotta do for the front one, you gotta get a plastic stuff so you don't damage anything. So you stick it in here and then you twist it. Come right out. There's a screw right there. Flip it out. Then you come down here where all your switches are, and you're gonna lift. You're gonna go under. Down here. Okay. Go under, pick it up, and then you slide it out. Take the tabs out. Put it on the side. There's a screw right there. And then you gotta pick this one up too. There's another screw. It has a little safety thing so you don't lose it. You can pick it up and slide it out if you want to take it out completely. And then here's the other screw. Okay, so now we should be able to go under here, stick your finger. Oh, let me take these out first. This one you just pull it to you. Now we can go under and pull it. Should be another one here. There. Now we can pick it up. Still one more here. There. So pick it up. Then this right here has some little tabs, 2 tabs. Just open up a little bit and then take it right out. Put this on the side. Now we go to the back door. The back door is a little tricky. There is something that you got to do special. Same thing here. Go between the lock and pull it toward you. Take the screw out. So same thing here. You gotta take this baby. So I can go from here. Here, go from the back. Pick it up, slide to you. Take the screw out. Same thing here. There. One more screw. This battery is giving up. So, what's special about this back door is a little different than the front one. There's gonna be a hook right here. In order to, you can't just unpop it and just slide it up. So this is what you gotta do. Pop it out first. So in order to slide it up, you gotta kind of tilt it to you. You tilt it to you a little more extra than the front one because of this hook right here. I don't know if you can see, I'll show you better once I get this out. So this hook, it goes in that hole, so it won't let it go up. So that's why you gotta tilt it a little extra, and then you slide it up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I don't look funny with this. Let me correct something about the back panel. I told you to pull it up, so my mistake. This one actually, it comes to the front. So the way I did it, it came out with this seal. So if you want the rubber to stay there, you take these. I'll show you. Just clip this back on. Okay, just clip it back on. Get your connection here for your remote. So all you do, and this is gonna be to take it out too. You put it straight right here. So these actually, that plastic thing that I told you right here that was not letting you pull it up, that's actually a guide that goes in there to line it up, so you just push it in. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in. So we're just gonna line them up even. Shows even. Then we'll put all the screw back and make it a grip. Here. Okay. So I'll get my 3 screw. The little one on the top. One here. Another one right here. Okay. So first, you can get this little cover. This one, all you do, snap it in here. Gotta kind of hook it that way first. So push it in, or this way, and then push the back there. And then this one, remember this one goes in here. So this one goes first. Line them up. Push down. Get your control. This one just goes straight down. And that's done. And the reason we remove it, I don't know if you noticed, we did the tinted window all around the car, so that's why we took the door panels off. See all the windows? So now you just gotta put the front panel back, and then we're good to go. But everything else done. This is the last panel I gotta do. So I hope you enjoyed my video and learned something. Thank you.